This is the lift at Cotswold Outdoor in Rushden Lakes. It's a in-valve lift, which is a Motala. Capacity 6 persons, 500 kilos. Year made 2017.
Ground floor.
Here we are, G, and that's it.
But these are the worst. You what?
Door close button does not work. This is the lift at next in Rushden Lakes. It's a Techno. Capacity is 21 persons, 1600 kilos. Built in 2017. Route 1. Go back down to G. We are back at G. The doors are made by Prisma, and that's it. This is the lift at Marks and Spencer in Rushden Lakes. Door close button does not work. Capacity is 21 persons, 1600 kilos. Year made 2017. It's an Otis Gen 2. Back down to G. This is a bit like the one at Biggleswade. Here we are back at G, and that's it. This is the lift at H&M in Rushden Lakes. It's another Konica disc. Capacity is 13 persons, 1000 kilos. Year made 2017. Go back down to G. We are back at G, and that's it. This is the lift at Greenmark in Rushden. It's going to be an eco disc. I'm going to go up to 1. It's a Konica disc. Capacity is 26 persons, 2000 kilos. Built in 2017. It's a glass one as well. Route 1. Go back down to G.
Confused me because there's people in it. I don't think there's another floor though. I thought we were going out.
It is warm in there.
This is the lift at House of Fraser
Going up.
in Rushden Lakes.
Doors closing.
Door close
Please
button
mind the
does
doors.
work like that. Capacity 26 persons, 2000 kilos. Built in 2016.
First floor.
It's a Jackson.
Doors
Route
opening.
1. Go back down to G.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
Indicators are broken. And it's got new lift logic.
Ground floor.
Route G.
Doors
And
opening.
that's it. This is the lift at Rushden Lakes.
Lift is going up.
Door closing.
At Rushden Lakes in Rushden. It's a Schindler. Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos, built in 2019.
Floor 1.
Here are 1.
Door opening.
Go back down to G.
Lift is going down. Door closing.
Door close button does not work. This is a 5500 and it's glass. It's a very nice lift.
Floor.
Here we are, G. Gonna send it up to 1.
Opening. Door closing.
There it goes. There it goes. And there's the pit. There's some signs there. And that's it.